Hello, this is United Storage Assembly. This is our 2x10 storage assembly. Each assembly comes with two thin end caps. The entire assembly is made from 6061 T6 aluminum, which has an extremely high resistance to corrosion. Our 2x10 storage assembly comes with 8 60-degree center marked storage cups, as well as your spacer. Just like our 2x8, when stacked together and placed under compression, forms our tube inside of a tube design. So when placed inside of this tube, this one is just more for alignment purposes. You will notice we'll leave a small gap of 1/64 of an inch in between the face of your tube and the face of your end cap. This is to assure when your storage assembly is assembled that your internals remain tight and under compression, even if you decide to have your storage assembly Cerakoted. Because the Cerakote will leave a small film on the face of your tube and the face of your end cap. So leaving that 1/64 gap will allow the internals to remain under compression. Here in the cutaway version, you'll see each cup stacked on top of each other, which allows the tube inside of a tube design, secondary storage chamber, primary storage chamber, as well as your storage chamber between each of your 8 storage cups. Here on our 2x8, one additional cup compared to the 2x8 storage assembly. Still offer our 7075 grade aluminum thick end caps. Offer many modifications for these. Can't seem to find what you're looking for? Feel free to request what you are looking for. You can find these on our thick end cap page as well as our special adapters page. You can find us at UnitedStorageAssembly.com. Also, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you.